Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I will share an easy way to create cut crease eye makeup look. Let's start the tutorial. First, I am taking light green shade and blending it in my crease. This will create a shape and guide line where we will apply darker shades later. Blend it well to prevent any harsh lines. Now taking a medium dark green shade on a fluffy brush. Applying it just below the previous color and blending them together. Make sure to go from lighter to darker shade because they are easy to blend. Now I am taking darker shade of green. Again, use the fluffy brush to blend the color on crease. Keep blending until you feel like all the shades are smooth and perfect. Now I am taking just a little amount of dark blue shade and blend this with dark green shade to make it more dark and prominent. Now I am again applying light green shade to blend all colors. This will make light green color prominent. I took the light concealer on a flat brush and applied all over the lid. Make it smooth and even. Setting it with compact powder. With a small precision brush, I am applying green shimmer shade. Now with the help of a thin brush, I am applying glitter on a crease line. This is a difficult part, but doing it patiently. Blending darker shade on lower lash line. Blending the darker shade with lighter one. Applying eyeliner. And finally, we are done with the look. This look is looking so amazing. You can carry it on any event and look stunning. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and the tutorial. Before leaving, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.